Hey guys, this is my first video on how to read and write Tamil. It's by far my most requested video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. This video is just going to show you how the Tamil script works, and in future videos in this series, you're going to start reading and writing Tamil yourself. Let's get started. So these are all the Tamil letters. In total there are 247 of them. You might be thinking, wow, this looks so complicated, I'll never be able to learn this. Just relax. The Tamil script is actually really easy to pick up because of how logical it is. This top row, these are all the vowels in Tamil. And these are the corresponding letters in English. So from left to right we have A, I, U, E, I, O, O. And on the left we have all the consonants in Tamil. And this is what they sound like in English. So if you wanted to make the sound ka, all you have to do is find the intersection between the k consonant and the a vowel. And that's here. So in Tamil, ka is this character. Let's try this with an actual word. Kaka in Tamil means crow. To write it, you need to know the syllables, which are ka, uk, and ka. So now back to our chart. Let's try and find the letter for ka. The k consonant is here, and the r sound is here. So the intersection is here, so that's our syllable ka. Now this uk consonant, this doesn't have a vowel after it, which makes it a stop sound, and all our stop sounds are in the leftmost column. We find uk right over here, so that's our second syllable. Finally, we add ka again, and we already know where that is, so we'll put that at the end. So crow in Tamil is ka. Let's get a bit more practice. Appa. Appa means father. First, we split appa into its syllables. So it's a, up, pa. Now, we look back at our chart. The first sound a, we can just find that in the top row. So our first sound is a. Then we have a stop sound up, and we can find that in the consonants column right over here. And finally, pa is a combination of p and r, and we find that at the intersection of p and r right over here. So that's pa. So we add that to the end. So father in Tamil is Appa. One more time, a trickier word to challenge you. Aikyam is unity. We split it up into its syllables. I, uk, ki, ya, And we go back to the chart. I is in the vowels row over here, so we'll add that. This is tricky because it's not a plus I. I is a separate vowel in Tamil. You can't have a word starting like this because a word can only start with 0 or 1 vowel in Tamil. Then the uk sound is in the consonants column over here, so we'll add that. Ki is k plus I, and the intersection is over here, so we'll add ki. Ya is y plus a, so y is over here, a is over here, so ya is this one. And finally we end with the stop sound, which is in the consonants column right here. So unity in Tamil is Aikyam. So now you're probably thinking, yeah, you were right. Tamil is super logical. But how am I meant to learn 247 characters? Again, chill out. It's easier than it looks. You'll need to know the vowels, the consonants, and these consonant-vowel combinations in the middle, because they don't follow a consistent pattern. And there's this one letter which I haven't mentioned in the entire video, which is the one right in the top left corner. It's called Akenam. It's a weird letter and it's not that useful, but I'm still going to teach you about it. But everything else follows logical patterns which I'll teach you about. And once you learn those patterns, you'll be able to write all the Tamil characters. And don't worry, I'll even cover some of the weird stuff, like why there are 3 N sounds, or 2 R sounds, or 2 L sounds. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found that helpful. Stay tuned for my next video in this series, where I'll cover the vowels in Tamil. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section and smash those like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you next time.